Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine. Ryan, I need to wash my hair and I need to style my hair. And I'm gonna be using a product that is not often seen in the curly hair community. Not that often. So I was on one of the live feeds with AfrikanHairGod, and in that live feed, one of the videos that was watched was Candid Kinks. She was getting her hair professionally done, basically. When it got to the styling portion, the stylist used this gel. And, I was like, wow, I've never seen that gel before. And Narada was like, we use that in hair school. Her hair looked so very good at the end of it. So went to the local Target and bought it. And it is the Sexy Hair Style Hard Up. So when I was looking on the site compared to what was used in her video, they changed the packaging, but this is that exact same gel. The hold is a 10. Quite often seen with folks that have more straight hair. I read some of the reviews, a lot of reviews about short and spiky. It also says on the site that if you use it on dry hair for more of the rustled, I think it said rustled look. So yeah, definitely not terms that you hear often in the natural hair community.
I don't know her.
I also did see some folks that do cosplay that use this gel as well. But on the website, it does say that you can use this on all hair types, and on their Instagram page, I did see a variety of people with different types of hair. Though most were straight hair and curly haired people, there were some whose hair looked like ours. I'm gonna do 2 different leave-ins and then top it with this one and see how it works. Of course, stay tuned to the end so we could talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. All right, let's go do it. Hey, it's me. All right, so my hair has been nice and shampooed, conditioned, and remember that any pop-up videos that happen above will always be linked down below for you to watch after this one. And the 2 that it seemed to not curdle up with but kind of blended into a smooth creamy mix was the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner, which I will be using on my right, your left, and the Sienna Naturals Do Magic, which I will be using on my left, your right. I do want to mention also, though not a regular thing that you will see on my channel, the Sexy Hair does have a cone in it. It actually has dimethicone in it, kind of towards the middle bottom. All right, so I'll come back once I get these 2 applied. Okay, so both leave-in conditioners are entirely applied. I'm gonna start, of course, with the melanin side. Per the back, it says, apply to damp or dry hair and style.
Hold is a 10.
Very blue, as you can see. Ooh, sparkly. It's pretty and sparkly. Ooh, smell is decent. And it is kind of the gloopily gel. Kind of gloopily. So far it ain't did nothing. Let's separate. Add a bit of water. That helped. Let's grab a little bit more gel. Just a dollop. Okay, that's definitely much better. Clumps happening. I'm just gonna go through it and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so my battery died, but this side is entirely done. I've done the back on this side, which has the Sienna Naturals on it. Wow, I totally forgot. All right, so let's see how it looks. Bit of water.
Oh, don't mind that. It's just the cat.
Bit of gel. And then work. One thing that I am noticing is that the Sienna Natural side is a bit foamier than the melanin side. Interesting. All right, so it is all applied. Let's show you how it looks. So I didn't shingle, but I did break some areas down a couple of times within a section. So I'm going to let this dry overnight. I need to edit. I'm gonna do some diffusing. I'll come back tomorrow so we can see what day one hair looks like, and then we'll go and see, you know, how long it lasts. We'll talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. All right. Hey, it me. All right, so I did actually come back the next day this time. Yay, me. All right, so really quick update just to show you what day one hair looks like using the Style Up Gel. So let me show you. Nice 360. So it's a little bit weird because I didn't want to mix the two sections up just for, you know, testing purposes or whatever. It's very flat here in the front. I got a little bit of bang.
Not a bang!
But so far, hold.
10. 12.
Does wet line get my hair this hard? No, this is a little bit stronger than wet line, and it's actually really well defined, a lot more than what I thought that it was going to be just from how it looked last night. There's a good amount of shine, but you know, silicones are in it, so, but there, I like the shine. I've no visible flakes, as you can see. Even with me doing that, there are some fine flakes that I can kind of very slightly see, but not a lot at all. And as far as how my hair feels, so it's stiff. It's on the crunch side. Y'all know I don't break the cast, and I do like a nice stiff hose. I pineappled my hair last night. But because of those two leave-in conditioners underneath it, my hair doesn't feel horribly dry. It's just the gel cast, like it's not breaking. It's not, and it doesn't feel like it has any intentions on breaking. Matter of fact, it feels like it's here to stay.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
It feels like, you know, when you be like, hey, you know, somebody says, can I just stay with you for a week? And you're like, yeah. And then it turns into like 3-4 months. That's how this cast feels on this hair. But I just wanted to come back day one just to show you like with the 24-hour turnaround. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna see how long this goes. Hey, it me. All right, I am following up a week and a half later on using the Sexy Hair Style Up Hard Holding Gel. It's a lot of hards and holdings with this gel. But this is a week and a half following up, so let me give you a quick 360 on how my hair look. I did just wet it down because I'm about to walk out the house, but let me show you. So let's talk about what it said, did, and if there's anything that I need from it. So it says that it's going to give a maximum high hold finish that is also going to be humidity resistance that lasts up to 48 hours. It also says that it is flake free and that it is going to tame frizz and flyaways while creating the appearance of thicker hair. First thing I want to note, between the Sienna Naturals and the melanin, I had no flaking. I mean, you know, you saw in the first follow-up day, no flaking, but still none even days after that. What was impressive is that, and it doesn't mention, the amount of shine that my hair had was also quite impressive. So I pineappled my way just to really hold the style and the definition that I had. And then after that, I've just been putting my bonnet on and sleeping on it like normal. Hard hold? Yes. That cast didn't break until like the 4th, 5th day. And y'all know I like casts, I don't break my cast. So yes, hard up. Does control the hair, does control the frizz. Like it definitely does those things because, you know, as it says here on the back, the hold is turn. Because both of those leave-in conditioners are really moisturizing for my hair didn't really have a really dry feeling. But after it softened about that 5th day, 6th day, moisture-wise, it was okay. I think that the 2 leave-in conditioners definitely held their own with this gel. The days that I did leave the house, I did spray it down just to kind of reactivate. So that did help with making it feel that soft conditioning feeling, even though there were still some hard curls in my hair. That cast, for some of the curls, were still there after 7 days. I definitely recommend a leave-in. Per the live stream, Narada said the same thing. So yes, a leave-in is definitely necessary with this gel if you're someone with kinky or curly hair.
Necessary.
So if it could moisturize the hair, that would be the one thing that I would need from it. I don't know if they'd be able to achieve the same thing without the dimethicone. I think that they could. The ingredients aren't the best. It doesn't claim to be natural. So just taking it as it is for what it is, it did everything that it said that it was gonna do. Especially the non-flaking part, which is what I was really concerned about. Have you used this before? All right, so yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Have you used the Sexy Hair Style Hard Up Hard Holding Gel? Have you used this before? Did it work for you? Did it do all the things for you that it said that it was going to do? Let me know in the comments below. All right, make sure you like this video. Punch subscribe because it's red and it's right there. Feel free to share this out as somebody else with, you know, kinks and curls may want to know how the sexy hair works on our hair. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural, and I'll see you in the next one.